Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these delicious skillet potatoes. So if you love potatoes, you're going to love this recipe. I'm using Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, Badia complete seasoning, garlic and onion powder, parsley, paprika, sea salt, black pepper, bacon grease, butter, and beef smoked sausage. I also have here a green bell pepper and some jalapeno and sliced onion. And then of course the star of the video, the potatoes. Okay, so I'm using about 5 russet potatoes. So go ahead and prep everything. Chop up your vegetables, and you want to slice your sausage. Make sure that you clean and dry off your potato. Okay, we're gonna cut this into 1/4-inch slices. So if you go too large, then of course it'll take longer for your potatoes to get tender. So try to stay within a 1/4 inch. I'm using like 2 tablespoons of canola oil. My skillet is on medium high. Let's go ahead and season up these potatoes. Okay, we want to do this quickly before they, get tender. So I'm using the Cajun seasoning. Now I'm adding in some garlic powder. Now I'm going to add some onion powder. Okay, paprika for color. Now you can wait on the pepper. You don't have to add this so early if you don't want to. If you feel like it might burn, then you can, just add your pepper last. I'm also going to add a small amount of sea salt. Okay, so when you make yours, you want to just season to taste and stir your potatoes. That's going to help those seasonings to spread within the pot. Okay, so I'm using 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Okay, it's just gonna give it some extra flavor. So after you add in the seasonings and the butter, now you want to just leave this alone. You want to leave it alone. You need those potatoes to begin to brown, get crispy. And yeah, so just try not to touch it too much. You want to have your heat on a medium high and just let them cook. Okay, you want to stir them occasionally, just making sure they're not, burning or anything like such. Okay, we're going to cover this with a lid. This will also help this to cook faster. So when I covered my potatoes, the cooking time decreased. Okay, and they got tender quicker. Okay, so they got tender in about 8 or 9 minutes. Okay, and you can see here they are fork tender. So now let's do some genius pot work. That's what my husband calls it. Genius pot work. Okay, so I'm going to just move those potatoes over. I've added in some bacon grease for flavor. Okay, now I'm adding in my onions and my peppers. Okay, and I'm only going to cook this for 1 minute. Then I'm going to move it over again, and then I'm going to add in my sausage. Okay, and after adding in the sausage, I'm just going to let this cook for 1 minute. Then I'm going to combine everything together. Now I'm going to add some more seasoning. Okay, so I'm going to start with some complete seasoning. Then I'm going to add some parsley and cayenne pepper. And I'm going light on the cayenne pepper. So remember, when you make yours, just season it to your taste, okay? And after you add in those seasonings, you want to gently stir your potatoes. So as you saw, I used a silicone spatula, that helped to prevent those potatoes from, breaking apart. Then I added a small amount of salt. Now I'm going to deglaze the bottom of the skillet. Okay, this is going to help all of those flavors to lift up. Okay, anything stuck to the skillet is going to come right off after you add that water. But you want to make sure that you just add a little at a time. Okay, then you can cover it. You can cover it and allow it to continue to cook for a few more minutes on low, or you can turn it off and just let it steam if you want your potatoes to be softer. So it's really up to you. If you want your potatoes more crispy, then just let them cook a little longer. Okay, this was so delicious, so good. Like, you could have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This was so flavorful. I hope that you guys will try this recipe. Comment below, let me know what you think, and I hope to catch y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.